Welcome to Altitude 365 Marketplace. If it's your first time entering the site, to access our storefront, you can click on the Register button on the upper right corner of our homepage. Enter your data and your company information in the self-registration form on the homepage and accept the terms of use. Once approval is granted, you will be able to part your services in the Altitude 365 Marketplace. If you're already an existing customer and you have been registered in the past, you can log in with your credentials, buy automatically provisioned cloud services, manage your subscriptions, check your financial information, and ask for support. As soon as you log in, you will see all of our products that are available for you to buy. You can browse in different categories: services for the modern workplace, for the modern data center, Azure, workshops for the modern workplace, for data center and compliance and security, and supplies and managed services by Altitude 365. By using the search filter in the center of the home page, you can check how easy it is for you to find the services that you are looking for. If you are interested in Office 365 and you click on a service, you will be able to see the available plans we have for you. By clicking on the plans in the Overview section, you can take a look and you can find more details on the service. Watch videos available by Altitude 365, and you can even take a look at the terms of use of the service. Now, if you click on Editions and Pricing, you can consult a comparative table with the different types of products that we have created to make it easier for you to choose. You can take a look at the different pricing according to the billing cycle you would like to be charged by Altitude 365. For example, prices per month or annually. And underneath every edition, you can take a look at the available add-ons in case you would like to include any of them within your order. If you click on Add to Basket, you're redirected to the next page, where you need to select the number of licenses you would like to buy, the billing cycle upon which you would like to be charged, for example, per month or per year. And also, you can create a friendly name for this subscription so that when you log in again in the future, it's easier for you to find. By clicking on Checkout in the next step, you need to either define your Microsoft domain that will be created automatically, or if you're already using Office 365 and you own this domain, you can use the link below to authorize Altitude 365 as your CSP. Once you complete that step and you click on Next, what will happen is that the new subscription will be created through the system. The billing data will be available in the invoice created on the 28th of each month that you can find in the billing section, along with all the invoices that Altitude 365 has sent to your company. And also, you will receive an email with an automatic order confirmation, ensuring that your order has been submitted. The last thing that takes place is the automatic provisioning of the service that you have just bought. In the billing section, you can take a look at your account balance, your available credit on the right side, and you can check all the available invoices. Also, in the subscriptions dashboard, you can check your active subscriptions, and clicking on the subscription, you can check all the manage options. For example, you can buy more licenses for the subscriptions. You can buy available add-ons, downgrade, upgrade. And you can even place a cancellation request for this subscription for all the licenses that you have bought or partially for some licenses. There are filters available for you to quickly find active subscriptions, all subscriptions, canceled, suspended, and you even have the option to generate a report and export your subscription data if you would like to work offline. On the upper right of your homepage, if you click on My Account, in the My Profile section, you can update your data in your profile, update your password, and even update your billing contact information. Also, in the Orders History tab, you can check your orders that you have submitted in the Altitude 365 Marketplace. Within the order, you will find all the related info regarding the status of the orders, the quantity of licenses, the unit price, any discount that has been applied to you by your CSP. And you can even export your orders in Excel if you would like to work on these files offline. If you're interested in purchasing an Azure subscription and you're wondering how much it will cost, you can click on Service in the Marketplace and click on Check Charges. To answer your question, we have incorporated the Azure pricing calculator in the product's description. This way, if you click on Resources Pricing and you configure, for example, if you're interested in the virtual machine, you can estimate the usage location per resource group within the Altitude 365 Marketplace on the spot. So let's say you're interested in a virtual machine in North Europe, operating system Windows. You do the configuration of your preferences, and if you scroll down, you will be able to find out how much it will cost you, along with any discount Altitude 365 has applied for you. The embedded calculator includes all the available Azure models and resources. It is loaded dynamically, and every price amendment by Microsoft is immediately visible to our calculator. Now, if you have already purchased an Azure subscription and you click on it in the Marketplace, what you will see, first of all, is the actual consumption that you have in your Azure attendance so far. Second, you can take a look at the analysis of the resources that you have consumed, and also Altitude 365 is providing a safety net for you. Below the charge, you will find the estimated amount, and in fact, here is an estimation of the Azure resources to be consumed at the end of the billing cycle. What Altitude 365 is implementing here is an algorithm saying to you that, dear customer, if you continue using Azure resources at the same rate you have so far, this is how much we will invoice you by the end of the month. Also, it notes down when it was last fed by Microsoft via our API. Why is this information important? Because it's a unique element that Altitude 365 has implemented to protect our customers and give you an insight in real time regarding your changes in the moment and in the future. Last, we have designed a variety of workshops that you can attend in order to train you to leverage the cloud benefits of adopting Office 365 services. Based on the working methods that you use today, we conduct a thorough analysis and predict the next step of your digitalization journey. By the end of the workshops, we give you reports reflecting users' tracking of Office 365 services and your users' behavior that you will be able to customize and change in a dynamic manner, according to what you would like to see in real time. This can offer you the right input if you would like to guide and support your employees to start using certain Office 365 services and increase their productivity. This is the Altitude 365 Marketplace. For more information, please contact us at info@altitude365.com.